Today, I'm going to show you how to make this handy keyring with wide packing tape, a hole puncher, and of course, a keyring. Take your wide packing tape and lay out a long enough strip to cover the front and back of the cutout card. Now fold over the tape and cover the entirety of the card. Press over the surface for a strong seal. Cut the excess tape off. Hole punch in the center of the gray circle. Once done, slide each card through the keyring. I've linked the blog post with the PDF in the description for you.